While using the voice recognition system, keep the interior of your vehicle as quiet as possible by closing windows and directing air vents downward. To operate the system, press and release this button on the steering wheel. Wait until the tone sounds and the face icon on the display changes, then begin speaking. Press this button while the system is speaking to skip voice prompts. The Help command can be used at any time to hear a list of available commands. Use single digits when speaking phone numbers. For example, 500 should be spoken as 500. While the system is speaking, you can adjust the volume of the prompts using the steering wheel controls or this dial on the audio system. Press and hold this button to cancel voice recognition. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.